Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you tired of the hassle of flossing with traditional string? Or maybe you're looking for an efficient, portable solution for your oral hygiene routine? Well, today, we're talking about a product that might just change the way you think about flossing. The Beantech SEAGO 200 Milliliter Rechargeable Black Cordless Portable Water Flosser could be the game changer you're looking for, whether you're at home or on the go. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more in-depth beauty and wellness reviews like this one. The Beantech SEAGO Water Flosser is a cordless, rechargeable device designed to offer a thorough cleaning experience with minimal effort. Its 200 milliliter water reservoir provides ample capacity for a full cleaning session, and it's equipped with 5 interchangeable jet tips, perfect for customizing your flossing experience. This flosser also includes a tongue cleaner, which I found to be a great bonus for maintaining overall oral hygiene. When it comes to performance, this flosser delivers impressive results. With 2,000 high-pressure water pulses per minute, it provides an efficient cleaning action that can remove up to 99.99% of food debris and plaque. The nozzle is designed to rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to reach even the most difficult spots in your mouth, which is especially helpful for those with braces or periodontal pockets. Now let's talk about the different modes. There are 3 settings available: a gentle mode, which is perfect for first-time users or those with sensitive gums; a high-pressure mode, which gives an intense clean for everyday use; and a massage mode, which sprays water 3 times per second to give your gums a refreshing massage. I personally enjoyed switching between modes based on the level of cleaning I needed, making it super versatile. One of the most impressive features is the flosser's long battery life. It fully charges in about 5 hours and can be used for up to 65 days on a single charge, which makes it ideal for travel or outdoor activities. It even comes with a handy storage bag, making it easy to toss in your suitcase without worrying about taking up too much space. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Beantech SEAGO Water Flosser is incredibly portable, effective, and easy to use. The multiple jet tips and the ability to adjust the water pressure make it a great choice for both beginners and more experienced users. I also appreciate the fact that it's waterproof and safe to use in the shower. However, it's not without its downsides. While the 200 millimeter water reservoir is sufficient for a complete cleaning, I did find myself needing to refill it if I was flossing multiple areas. Also, while the device is compact, it's slightly bulkier than some other models I've tested. In terms of value for money, I think the Beantech SEAGO Water Flosser is well priced for what it offers. The battery life alone is worth noting, and when you factor in the interchangeable tips and 360-degree nozzle, you're getting a high-quality product for a reasonable cost. However, if you're looking for something ultra-compact, or if you prefer a larger water tank, you might want to consider other options. As for alternatives, there are several other cordless water flossers on the market, like the Waterpik Cordless Advanced, which has a larger tank, but doesn't quite have the same battery life. Another option could be the Philips Sonicare Air Floss, which is also portable, but might come at a higher price point. In terms of build quality, the Beantech SEAGO is well designed with a sleek and modern look. The materials feel sturdy, and it's clear that the product was built to last. It's IPX7 waterproof rated, so you don't have to worry about water damage when you use it in the shower or rinse it under the tap. Now, if you've used this water flosser, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts with other beauty lovers. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on our honest, expert reviews. Plus, if you're ready to get your hands on the Beantech SEAGO Water Flosser, I've included a link in the comments. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out.